little bit of 3, 4, and if timing allows it, 5-ball juggling in 360 here at Quarry Lake in Canmore. I'm Tony Esteves, and this is how I juggle. Going back down to 3. Let's go to 5. If we can. There's a 5 cascade. Here's a few 5-ball tricks. Lots of multiplexing, and I use a lot of yeah, people call it multiplexing or carrying, so I do a lot of that with my 4 and 5-ball juggling. Back down to 4. Back down to 3. Follow me to the lake if you like. All right. I'm sure the lighting's a little better on this side.